Hello guys, it's Shivan K here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something different for the first time ever on my YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. Yes. So I recently relocated to the United States, and I don't think in Uganda we have Amazon. No, we don't. So I wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I got from Amazon lately, and there are some of the things that I'm going to be using for my hair. I'm going to be doing like a sewing for my hair. I ordered that. Let me just show you guys what I got. So there is this. I don't know how these videos are supposed to be done, so I'm just going to be like unboxing, yeah, showing you my genuine reaction. And also some of the things I already unboxed because we ordered with my husband and he wanted to use the things. They were packed together, so he removed his and he unboxed the box. He opened the box. So don't be surprised when you see some of the things already unboxed. They were like ordered together, but he had already opened the box. So yeah. Oh, so we have this. Let's see what we got. These are like hair clips. I saw them online and I've always wanted them. In Uganda, I looked in all beauty shops and couldn't find them. So when I learned about the online shopping here, and I'm not saying that in Uganda we don't have online shopping, it's just not as common. Oh my god, this is so cute. So cute. Look at that. Where should I put it? That's so cute. Yeah, so I have like a pink one, purple one, orange. This is so cute. I love them. White, blue, and this. So this is how they look like. I love them. Why is it so small? I hope this will be enough. 2 packs. Oh, you know those curls that you put on boho braids? First I wanted to do boho braids, and then I remembered how many hours it takes me to do braids, and then changed my mind and I was like, I'll just do a sewing. But the next time when I take down the sewing, I'll be doing boho braids. I got them in this color, a brown, coffee brown, I think, and they say they're human. Feels so soft. Yeah, I love it. Moving on. This. So we ran out of shampoo and we bought more. Yeah. And ooh, I don't know where I'd put my rat tail comb, and I've been using a pen to pat my hair. So I ordered for this full set of hair stuff, the baby hair brush. I've been using my new toothbrush. I actually have like 4. Here I have 2, but yeah, I'm glad I got the real thing. What is this? Let's see. Oh, more flowers. So these ones, they're supposed to go on clothes, something like that. There is this orange, purple, pink, white, yellow, red, more white, orange. You can put them on your bag. You have something like that. Cute stuff. I like it. Moving on, I also got this, I think it's like curling gel, a leave-in conditioner, and they say that this is one of the best things for curly hair. I decided to try it out and see how they are on 4C hair. Yeah, and they look so cute. The packaging is really cute. I also got nail stuff. They're like gems that you put on your nails. They have like bows and little moons, and so cute. I also got this nail polish. Got it twice. It's the same that I have on my nails right now. I ordered it the first time for my wedding, so this one looks like that one. Also, I have this, and I don't know because I ordered this twice too by mistake. I don't want to unbox this one. Anyways, I'll just do it. I already have the nail drill for removing the gel nail polish, you know, because you cannot remove it with the nail polish remover. You have to like literally drill it off. This is how it looks like, and this is the drill. These are the things that you put on here. I also got this. It's like hair massager. So you know when you're shampooing your hair and you want to like massage it for hair growth and stuff, this is what you use. Or maybe because sometimes I itch a lot when it's hot, I don't want to like use my fingers like my nails. So let's see how it looks like. This is how it looks like, and I love the color. So good. It feels so good. Okay, yeah, so I got this. Yeah, I cannot wait for my next wash day to use it. I also got, my husband ordered for me this. I told him that I wanted a makeup bag, you know, makeup stains. I didn't want to like get a pink or white, so I told him to get me a brown, because I don't think this would stain from makeup, because my makeup like is brown. So yeah, he got me this, and it's nice. I love it. Opens down there too, and it has like this section. Yeah, so what else? Nail polish remover, a candle. This, my friend bought it for me. Smells so sweet. It's really nice. I love it. Other boxes to open. So most of the things that I've showed you were in the boxes that were already open. So let's open that. My husband has been working out in the field lately, and I think he stumbled over poisonous ivy and he's been having these very bad hives. So I think he ordered this. We also have, what's this? I think it's the dye. So yeah, I ordered for dye because the sewing that I'm going to do requires a leave out. My hair is not jet black. I wanted to dye it so that my hair color matches the leave out. The weave was wrong with me. So I ordered for some hair dye. I'm snacking on this. I made dinner, but I make dinner early. By noon it's ready, but I don't want to eat food until my husband comes back home. So I just be snacking on something, banana, something, yeah, because I want us to eat together, and I'm too lazy to make lunch. Like, I cannot make different meals because that's a lot of work. So excited. In here we've got a spray bottle. I've been using my friend's spray bottle ever since I came out here, so I bought myself a spray bottle so that I can stop stealing my friend's spray bottle. It looked really nice. I loved I did not intend everything to be in shades of pink. I feel like most of the things are in shades of pink. I don't know. My favorite color is brown. I don't know why I keep buying pink stuff. I think it's so cute. I love it. It's so unique. Most of the ones that I see are transparent, white, transparent, but I wanted something different, so I got this. I also have this, whatever this is. A hair straightening brush. So I have a flat iron, but sometimes I feel like a flat iron takes a lot of time. And oh, sorry. Comes with it. Instructions. Honestly, I don't read the instructions. I just use the thing if I know how to use it. Like, it's a brush. It's a hard brush. You just like plug it in and brush your hair. Don't take that. Read your instructions. That's just me. I'm too lazy to read. This is how it looks like right from the box. Ooh, nice. Yeah, so it has like the controls, the power button, wire. I can't wait to try it and see how it works. Toothpaste. Yes. Tip extensions. This is my hair. Of all things, I've been so excited about the hair. That's not a lot. Okay. So we've got like 3 bundles of hair. As you can see, I have a lot of hair. So I hope this will be enough, because I'm not ordering anymore. This thing was really expensive. I'm going to put the prices and the link of everything that I bought down in the description box. If you want to know the prices or to get them, yeah, it will all be in the description box down below. But I do not know how I feel about this, because honestly, I don't know if this will be enough for my hair. I feel bad, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I was so excited for this. They said that this would be enough for my entire head. I don't cut the hair. And also, when I saw the prices of how much hair costs here, going to the salon to get your hair braided and all that, I could not believe it. I was like, there is no way I'm paying that much to get hair braided. I thank God that I have some knowledge on doing hair. Otherwise, I don't know what I would have done. Even though it's not my money, I don't know how I feel about getting $200 braids, like box braids. No, I'm not doing that. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think this would be enough? Because this is like one band of hair. Yeah, I don't know. I'll try and make it work. It feels really nice. It's human hair. And it also comes with a wig cap. There are two in here. And I also have this. Sometimes I don't want to comb out my hair when it's dry. Honestly, I don't like combing out my hair when it's dry. I only try to make sure that I comb my hair when it's wet and with conditioner, because breakage, I do not like breakage. So sometimes I just like put it in a ponytail and then just brush on top and then put like a fake extension, natural hair extension. So I ordered for this. It's like a puff extension. It comes with this. And this is how it looks like. It has a net on. This is how it looks like. So you're supposed to put it on, and then these are like bangs right there, and then you tie something there. It's supposed to be a high puff extension with bangs. It feels so good. Yeah, it feels really good. They gave me this to go with it, to tie it like. I think I'll do a tutorial on how to put this on real fast in like 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm so excited. I also got myself this hair bands. You know, like stretchy hair bands that you put around your head. Maybe like you're exercising or you want your hair out of the way. I got them in different colors, as you can see, to go with any outfit that I will be putting on that day. I didn't want to limit myself on just one color. I also got this. I thought it was so cute. It goes on the hair like that. Oh, there too. Okay. Just something like that. I can't put it on this ear. I also ordered myself some roller sets. Rollers. I left my rollers back at home in Uganda, so I needed some rollers for when I don't want to blow out my hair and I want it to dry straight or stretched out. And this looked really interesting, so I wanted to try them out. This looks so different from the ones that I've been used to. I also got, wait. I think I ordered this twice. Oh my goodness, I have to cancel that order. I didn't know that I'd already ordered for this a phone mount, and I ordered for another one today. Oh my gosh, I have to return that or cancel the order. Anyways, I got myself a phone mount because sometimes I want to record my wash days and show you guys how I wash my 4C natural hair. I cannot take my ring light in the shower because I don't want to get it wet. Instructions for this. I'm surely going to read the instructions because I have no idea how to put these things together. Yeah, so if this is the wall, you put it on the wall and then press this thing and it sticks. And then I guess this is the phone thing. You fix it in there and then you put your phone on there. Something like that. I'll read the instructions and assemble it later. And it also came with a LED light, as you can see, and this is the reason why I chose it out of all the other portable phone mounts, because our bathroom doesn't have good lighting. And yeah, I really love that it comes with a light. I love mending clothes, so we bought another one, threads to mend our clothes. What is this? Oh oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this on. They come in this little, oh, so cute. I also got this. I don't know how they're called, but they're supposed to be hair ties that have hooks. I've been struggling so much to keep my hair what's the word? When I'm trying to do a ponytail and using the ponytail hair ties, I end up pulling out my hair or getting it all crooked, not like straight, because I have to like fold it over and over and over again, and it ends up like this side is poofy and this side is like pulled out straight. It was a lot of work. Recently I've been using my husband's shoelace. Every time he goes to put on his shoes, he's like, where's my shoelace? So I decided to stop stealing his shoelaces and buy one of theirs. Okay, that's it, you guys. I think I've shown you everything that we ordered off of Amazon lately. And also the other thing that I wanted to unbox today with all the other things is this very special package. I got my silver plaque for the 100,000 subscribers that I got 4 months ago. I got them 4 months ago. I would have unboxed that 4 months ago, but because of the relocation, the marriage, the adjustment to the new environment, it was a lot. So I gave it some time. I wanted to do it today, but my husband told me to find a day when he's also around so that we can unbox it together. I think on the weekend, yeah. So we are going to be doing that. It's right here somewhere. I had it somewhere here. Where is my silver plaque? Yeah, you guys, I finally got this after like 3 years. I think I've made 3 years on YouTube. Oh my gosh, you guys, thank you so much. That will be it for now. Yeah, I'll show you everything unpacking it in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please click that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.